Welcome guys again. I'm Nood, Chadwell Clay, YouTuber.
Bothering you?
The safe house is no longer safe. There's hackers roaming around, and that hacker that just came in, he's eating Snickers bars.
That was my Snickers bar.
And you know what else? You're back. You're not even the Chad I used to know anymore.
Hey, I'm still the same Chad. I don't even need these sneaking crutches. I've been using them for like 3 weeks now. I think the
I'm back guys. Sorry lah ha.
I don't need it.
Kasi
I got my back
umiilang
brace
ako.
on. See that? That's enough support for me. Yeah, sure, we all got hypnotized recently, but we're all back to normal now. Everyone's back to normal.
Yung Las Vegas.
Chadwell Clay, Daniel Gizmo, Regina Gennaro, and Melvin PZ9. We're all back to the original Spy Ninjas. We are a team again, and it is awesome. And we're gonna figure out who scammed Daniel, Regina, and Melvin down there right now. They're hackers.
Okay guys, let's
They're going into
laro
Roblox, and they're gonna figure out who scammed.
Roblox.
This is pretty.
You like my Chromie? I got 77 friends and let's laro now. Galing, galing, na sino siya? Ang lakas ng dating. Lakas ng dating, ang lakas. I not want this. Let's laro talk about. Wait a second, awa.